guys, it's Lexi. Welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be doing a pack with me video. I just got a new suitcase, so really exciting. So if you guys enjoy this video, let me know in the comments and let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed and click the bell so you can actually be notified when a new video goes live, and let's get started. Alright guys, so as you can see I have a few things here. What I like to do is I get everything pretty much situated. So I have some socks, I have like a couple shirts and just random things that I bought recently, and I also have some new toothbrushes, some earbuds, just miscellaneous things that I can find easily. Now I'm gonna go find everything that I want to pack in my suitcase. So that includes outfits, so jeans, t-shirts. Let's go. So now that I've got everything I think I'm going to be wanting to take, I need to pack it all up, try it on, and now my room looks like a even worse disaster than it did before. That's great! I like to pack a mix of like shorts, long sleeves, short sleeves. I check the weather. The weather is often wrong, so I like to just have a good mix of both. So some of the stuff is new, so I have to cut off the tags, but we'll get to that. Alright guys, so the first layer is done. I have pajamas, then this is like a thing called long underwear, and then I have jeans and the shorts down here, and then I have another pair of jeans, and then I have bathing suit stuff just in case I want to go to the pool on the ship. So I'm going to move on to sweaters and shirts. So as you can see, pretty much a lot of stuff is packed up. Right now I'm going to show you guys how I actually fold everything, and as you can see they're kind of rolled. We're gonna roll this shirt, so I fold it in half basically, and this is one of like the easier shirts to kind of fold in half. And then I have the sleeves right here, and then basically I take it from here and lay it out, or lay it like across my body, and then just kind of roll it, and this just makes it like really small and compact, so then you can fit more things into your suitcase, and then you just place it wherever you can fit it. That's basically what I do for all of my things. Now I have to pack up the rest of it and then move on to the other side of stuff. So now that everything on this side of the suitcase is packed, we're going to work on this side. And the first thing I'm going to do is put my shoes in that I won't be wearing on the plane. That's what we're going to do. Hello. This is one of the pairs I'm going to be packing. Just got to open this section, and then I'm just going to put it over here because that's the side with the wheels. Just throw that over. I like to put it like this so that I know it's good. These are the other pair of shoes. You guys should have seen both of them actually in videos before. I always take them on cruises, which by the way, you can check out the travel vlogs on the vlog channel. I'm gonna put them kind of like this, like that, and then we're gonna start putting things on top of them. Alright, so this side is all packed. I transferred some stuff from that side to here just because I didn't want it to explode over there. I put some miscellaneous stuff as well as the rest of the things that I didn't pack before. Now I'm gonna do my socks. So as you can see, everything is pretty much packed up. I just shoved it in. Just shove it in. Next, I always pack my toiletries, toothpaste, toothbrush, face wash, and then also my makeup. I do these at the very end because I need them to be at the top so that I can easily access them. And I normally don't pack this until the very, very end. I'm gonna just show it to you because I still have to use all this stuff. I have my toothpaste, a toothbrush, and I'll probably end up using one of the new ones I have, face wash, and then some moisturizer. That's pretty much it. the rest goes in my carry-on. We're going to move on over to the carry-on because I'm just gonna like shove this in and then hopefully it'll close. So I forgot to pack these shoes, so I'm just gonna shove it in over there. Hopefully it fits. Okay guys, so this is the carry-on I bring on every trip. You probably have seen it if you watch the vlog channel. And I do have some stuff in here from before because, like I said, I do use it on every single trip. So basically I just cleaned it out a little bit. So I have a bunch of extra earphones and I just like to keep them in there. They're kind of a tangled mess, but it's okay. And then I have some lollipops. I don't really know why they're here. And then I have some plastic bags, another earphone. So that's in this first section. So we're going to go ahead and set up the new earphones. And these things are supposed to be so your earphones don't get tangled. I'm just gonna put them in there. Moving on to this next pocket, I have this travel toothbrush, and this is great. And then I have some masks because sometimes people are sick. And then I also have this thing. I forget what it's called. It's supposed to protect your stuff from being stolen, like your identity and stuff. So we have this. I haven't used it, but I keep it in here just in case. And then I have some more earphones, snacks, and other kinds of things. And I just leave those there. So we're gonna add these toothbrushes. So in this section, I normally keep my laptop, but I'm not putting that in right now because I'm still using it. I also have this thing. It contains a bunch of adapters for different countries for your plugs. I keep that in here all the time. And then I also have another earphone thing. And then in this bigger section, I normally shove my purse. So I normally shove this thing in the back or in this section. It depends on what I'm really feeling, so that I can have this bag for when I don't want to bring this thing, you know, on the daily. Yeah, I was gonna shove some socks in here as well, just in case like my bag gets stolen. I feel like having socks would be a good option. I mean, clothes too, but start with socks. So that is basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you did in the comments, and give this video a thumbs up if you want me to do more videos, or if you liked the video or found it somewhat helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Make sure you're subscribed, click the red button, and click the bell so you can actually be notified when I post a new video. If you guys would like to check out where I am going, why I'm packing all of this stuff, you should check out the vlog channel. It'll be linked in the description. And I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. And also, yes, I do usually leave it open like this until I go, just so that I can make sure I packed everything I need, I didn't forget anything. But then I just kind of shove it closed. You'll probably see that in one of the vlogs. And I don't really have a lot of room on my floor right now, so I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Alright, now how do I get this down off my bed? Okay. Oh, that's heavy. Whew, I should open the expander. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Okay. You guys can't even see, but it made it bigger. Ow. Oh yeah, didn't even have to sit on it. Yes. Hey guys, it's Lexy. Welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be doing a pack with me video. I just got a new suitcase, so yeah, if you guys enjoy this video, make sure to give me a like and let me know in the comments. And if you guys like more videos, more travel kind of videos, like travel tips, packing, things like that, because if you guys don't follow my vlog channel, you wouldn't know that I travel a lot. Let me know in the comments if you'd like more, and make sure you're subscribed and click the bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And let's get started. Ow. Okay.